I have the simple file here, and if I try to run this using this command python test py, I get this error that says no module named NeMo. Now, of course, your project might be a bit larger than this. In fact, a lot larger than this. But if you are importing NeMo and using NeMo and you're getting this error, let's go ahead and see how we can fix this. Okay, now first thing is you should install NeMo toolkit in your virtual environment. So I already have created a virtual environment, and if you don't know what virtual environment is or how you can create one, check the link in the description below. Basically, it keeps all your project dependencies separate and isolated from all your other projects, so you can work independently in your project. Okay, now I'll just go ahead and activate the virtual environment. Here, the virtual environment is activated. Now I'll install NeMo toolkit in this virtual environment and run the project again. So first thing is you need Cython to install NeMo toolkit, not Python, Cython. So the command is pip. In fact, let me just write python -m pip install cython. C is capital here. Hit enter, and this will be installed. After this is installed, we'll go ahead and install NeMo toolkit and try to run this again and fix this module not found, no module named NeMo error. Okay, let Cython be installed, and then we'll go ahead and install NeMo toolkit. Okay, once Cython is installed, go ahead and type python -m pip install NeMo _toolkit square braces ASR, and then hit enter, and NeMo toolkit will be installed. In my case, I've already installed NeMo toolkit. In your case, it will take some time to get installed. Once NeMo toolkit is installed, let's try to run this again. This time, as you can see, there is no error, and you can import and use your NeMo toolkit. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.